Alright, so the Heil is getting replaced. Unfortunately, it ran in heat mode for an extended period of time. A week ago when I acquired this building, something went wrong up in the air handler and it got stuck in heat mode and it blew out the evaporator coil because it is very low on refrigerant because it is freezing up. This unit's 13 years old. It's a 3-ton from 2008. And it's going to get replaced with a 3-ton, I think Temp Star 14 SEER unit this coming Thursday, I believe. I'll put the date in here. I won't record the install, but I'll show the unit and everything afterwards. So I figured since this old Heil's not going to be here no more, that I'll do a startup shutdown of it. Let me prop my phone up right here. And go inside and hit the thermostat.